Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the operating system. Alright. So OS. What is an OS? OS is an operating system. So operating system is nothing but a software. Alright. It acts as the interface between the user and the computer. Alright. Operating system acts as the interface between the user and the machine. ठीक है. दूसरा पॉइंट है कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज व्हाट? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज इटसेल्फ ए सॉफ्टवेयर. ऑलराइट. It performs certain tasks as if it performs certain tasks. The tasks are file management, memory management, alright, management of the peripherals. Peripherals क्या है? नया टर्म सुनने को मिला है. Peripherals. What are peripherals? Peripherals are the hardwares. Alright, that means say printer, webcam, joystick for playing games and all. So those are termed as peripherals. So it manages files, folders, then it manages the memory. Memory management is done by the operating system. Then handling of the peripherals, okay, or management of the input and output devices are also done by the operating system. Now as per your syllabus, there are different types of operating system. What are the types of operating system? Operating system: distributed, real time operating system, then time sharing. Time sharing, emphasis in the syllabus is given on this time sharing one. Alright. Batch operating system, all this. Many more are there, but for your high secondary this is sufficient. और syllabus में तो current syllabus में तो emphasis इसके ऊपर दिया गया है. Alright. So what is distributed operating system? Then real time, time sharing and batch operating system. The types of operating system will be discussed in today's class. So this in first time is telling about the batch. Batch operating system में क्या होता है? The user prepares his own task. क्या क्या काम चाहिए उसको कंप्यूटर से? Job, task, जो भी बोलिए. He prepares and he fetch that to the computer. Based on that, the computer performs the different tasks allotted to. Then comes time sharing. What happens in time sharing? In time sharing, multiple users are sitting at different places. Alright, and they are accessing one particular machine, one particular CPU. CPU time will be shared with all the users. CPU time will be shared with those multiple users, those who are sitting at different places and accessing one particular system. So this is about time sharing. उसके पहले batch system में क्या होता है? Batch system में CPU sits idle for most of the time. इसका ड्रॉबैक बोल सकते हैं, CPU sits idle for the most of the time. Characteristics भी बोल सकते हैं, ड्रॉबैक्स भी बोल सकते हैं. Time sharing में क्या होता है? CPU doesn't sit idle for most of the time, as the CPU time is being shared with the multiple users, those who are sitting at different places and accessing the system. Alright. Then आता है आपका real time. ये सब का इतना जरूरत नहीं है. Mostly emphasis is on this. Still I am saying real time. What happens in real time? Input is being fetched to the computer. Based on that input, the processing takes place and the CPU gives us the output. Alright, this is called the response time. Input देने के बाद और output मिलने के पहले जो time लेता है computer to process it, to process our input and give us the required output, that time is called the response time. Here the response time is very much low. Real time. देते ही साथ साथ we get the result, we get the output. Alright. जैसे कि online processing में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा time लिया जाता है, here no long time is being taken by the computer. Jaldi, quite fast we get the reply, we get the output quite fast. So this was about the types of operating system. Now we will discuss about compiler versus interpreter. What is compiler and interpreter? So as you all know that computer doesn't understand high level language. C, C++, Java, all these are high level language. Computer doesn't understand high level language. What does computer understand? Computer understand what we are discussing? Compiler versus interpreter. This is very much important. I am quite hopeful that you will be getting questions from this topic in your boards exam. और मैं कोई एग्जाम कंडक्ट करने से तो मैं पूछूंगा ही. So computer doesn't understand high level language. C, C++, Python, all these are high level languages. So for that, what the computer does, we programmer, we user writes the program in high level language, C++, Java, Python, all this. Then the computer converts this high level language into machine level language so that the computer understands this. So high level language, human readable language को computer convert करता है अपना understandable language में. That is called machine language. Alright. So while it converts the high level language that is written by us, that is written by the user, to its own understandable form, that is called the machine language, then what happens, it checks line by line. हम लोग ने जो लिखा है हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज में, हाई लेवल टू मशीन लेवल, हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज को क्या करता है, मशीन लेवल लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करता है. सो व्हाइल कन्वर्टिंग पूरा चेक करता है सिंटेक्स सही है कि नहीं, क्या बोला गया है, एवरीथिंग. सो इफ द कन्वर्शन, ये क्या करता है, कन्वर्शन करता है. इफ द कन्वर्शन इज डन लाइन बाय लाइन, देन इट इज कॉल्ड इंटरप्रेटर. पहला हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज 10 लाइन का है, पहला लाइन को रीड किया, कन्वर्ट किया, दूसरा को रीड किया, कन्वर्ट किया, तीसरा को रीड किया, कुछ एरर मिला, साथ साथ रिपोर्ट किया, एंड यू हैव टू करेक्ट दैट एरर, देन ओनली इट विल प्रोसीड टू द फोर्थ लाइन. थर्ड लाइन पे एरर मिला ना, इट विल रिपोर्ट इट, इंटरप्रेटर विल रिपोर्ट इट. इफ यू डोंट रेक्टिफाई द एरर, देन इट विल नॉट प्रोसीड टू द फोर्थ लाइन. लाइन बाय लाइन हिसाब से जो करता है, दैट इज इंटरप्रेटर. Now compiler, what does compiler do? 10 लाइन का हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज आपने लिखा है, प्रोग्राम लिखा है, 10 लाइन का एक साथ कन्वर्ट कर देगा. एक साथ कन्वर्ट करके कुछ एरर है तब रिपोर्ट करेगा. 10 लाइन को एक साथ कर लिया, मान लीजिए 2-3 जगह पे एरर मिला है, 2-3 जगह का एरर एक साथ रिपोर्ट करेगा. इंटरप्रेटर में क्या होता है, लाइन बाय लाइन होता है रिपोर्टिंग एंड ऑल. कन्वर्शन लाइन बाय लाइन होता है. व्हाइल कन्वर्टिंग, इफ इट एनकाउंटर्स एनी एरर, इट विल रिपोर्ट immediately. You have to correct them, then it will proceed to the next line. But in compiler, everything, that block of statement will be converted first. If any error, then it will be reported. Rectify the error, then it will be converted to machine level language. This is how compiler and interpreter works. Next we will discuss about memory. So पहले bit, bit. What is bit? Bit is the smallest unit of memory storage. Smallest unit of memory storage. Alright. एक character को hold करता है. It holds only one character. Smallest unit of storage is called bit. Then comes byte. What is byte? One byte is equals to 8 bits. One byte is equals to 8 bits. Alright. Next comes kilobyte. 1024 byte equals to 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte. Alright. अभी MB is megabyte. 1 MB is 1024 KB. 1 megabyte is 1024 kilobyte. ठीक है, उस हिसाब से 1 GB. What is 1 GB? 1024 MB. 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 megabyte. Alright. Then comes 1 terabyte. TB. The last one, terabyte. 1 terabyte is 1024 gigabyte. These all are there in your syllabus, so I am giving you a overall picture. I am giving you overall explanation. I am giving. Alright. So bit is smallest unit of storage. Then it can hold only one character at a time. Alright. 8 bits. If we are considering 8 bits, that will be equal to 1 byte. Then what is 1 kilobyte? 1 kilobyte will be equals to 1024 bytes. 1 kilobyte will be equals to 1024 bytes. Alright, bytes. Similarly, the others. Megabyte, this much kilobyte. Gigabyte, this much megabyte. 1 terabyte is this much gigabyte. Alright. I hope you have understood what was taught today. Thank you for watching.